Hello friends, welcome to Jayshree's kitchen. Thank you for tuning in today and all my recipes are whole food plant-based diet. There is no sugar, no oil and minimum salt. And today I'm going to show you the fire roasted black bean soup. And I already posted the ingredients and the recipe, so you have it. So I already started cooking some onion. So I am sauteing the onion. It is on saute mode. And I am putting now garlic. And I'm putting all the spices. So I'm dropping the cumin, the oregano, salt, crushed red pepper. So you are going to saute for a couple minutes. This is a very delicious recipe and very tasty and very nutritious. So you are going to saute all these spices for 2 minutes or so, and I already put in the recipe. So you will do that, and then you are going to put the mushrooms, and really you are going to use the broth as needed because you don't want it so dry, you don't want to stick on the bottom. So I'm using veggie broth, which is from Costco, and when I'm putting my beans in, I am really not, I did not take the water out from the beans because there is so much flavor in the beans with the water. So I kept the water inside. So you can buy unsalted beans or low salt beans. And I usually buy from Costco, that thing too. And over here I have a fire roasted corn, which I bought from Trader Joe, but you can buy it from anywhere. So it is a frozen corn which I'm using, and so I'm putting sweet potato too. Saute for a couple of minutes, everything, whenever you are dropping things, because when you are sauteing for longer time, onion, garlic, all these things, the flavor comes out. And when you are sauteing all the spices for 2-3 minutes, the flavor comes out really good, and it helps, So I think sauteing is very critical. So I'm putting this the tomatoes. And now I'm putting the beans. And I put the sauteing time in the video. So when I attach the recipe, so you can do 2-3 minutes, and then I'm putting now black beans, and I'm putting the corn too. So every ingredient just saute for 2-3 minutes after dropping in, and that will help a lot. So now I am going to add some broth. So I'm adding 2.5 cups of veggie broth. So here is the veggie broth. So I put 2.5 cups of veggie broth. So it looks like that. And really, what you can do, if you want to just taste this, just a little bit, take it in the hand or take it in the spoon. So all the spices are okay for you. That's what usually I do. And then you can just close this and put it on the pressure cook on high for 5 minutes. So that's what I did. I'm putting on 5 minutes. And over here, I already cooked for you. So this is already done for you. So this is the way it's going to look when it's done. And what I'm doing, I'm putting the spinach on the top because I want some grains in the soup so it can become very nutritious. So I put some grains, I put 2 cups of spinach, and I'm putting some lime juice. So this is the lime juice. And then you can just boil it for a minute or two. And this is the black bean soup. This is the way it looks. And I'm going to test it. It tastes very good. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.